This video is applicable to trade shows. So it is trade show season for construction, other service-based. This can be used for everyone. So it's really about collecting leads when you're on site. So you've paid for a booth, you are meeting people every minute, and you want to collect the leads and you want to sell your product and you want to be able to follow up quickly with each of these leads. So what we have built here is a form that will connect up with your CRM. So we're using HubSpot in this case. So the new prospect will input their details. It'll go directly into HubSpot, creating a new account. And you'll also be able to send a welcome mail with a scheduling link. And separate to that, you'll also have a clean Excel file just to show what's being collected on the day. So let's run through the automation now. So I'll show you the form, and we can go from there. So this is the form the prospect will fill out. So they'll enter their name, their email, their role, the company name, the company size, and the product they're interested in, and then any other information that you want to add. So this can be totally tailored to how you work. Let's submit, and this is very quick. Okay, so submit it there, and you can see the automation running. All right, so first off, let's go into email. So the prospect is going to receive an email. So here we go. 9:35 corresponds with the current time. So let's see what this says. Okay, so thanks for taking the time at the trade show. It's good to connect. You mentioned you're interested in product B, which it says, and here we have the scheduling link, and then speak soon. Next off, let's go into HubSpot. Let's refresh and see our lead. Okay, so there is the lead that has come directly into your CRM. So you're not manually inputting any of this information. It's all automated. So you don't have to do anything. So for now, you've got your welcome mail, you've got your prospect into HubSpot, and then we also, let's have a look at the lead. Now we have our new lead. So Alex Demo, the CEO, test email, builders. So you have everything ready to follow up. No more business cards in a bag. No more written down notes on a piece of paper. You've got everything automated. You've got everything ready to follow up. Keep the prospect warm until you get around, in order to sell your services. So this is one of the builds for trade show season. If you know anyone that is attending and wants help with lead management, let me know.